to talk about the limitations of computer. Last video we talked about the what are the characteristics of computer. I told you, I gave some examples also. So computer is a machine. The machine does not understand any languages like Hindi, Marathi or English, whatever may be. It could understood only binary language, I told you. So how the machines, now we are interacting to machine and human now. I told you we have every machines have interpreter, compiler. So it's translating our language to the born language. We talk about that last video. So today, what are the limitations of in computer? So computers means two limitations. First one, the computer is a electronic machine, no? So there is no feelings. Means does not get tired or no feelings, sad or happy. So this kind of emotions they don't have in the computer. And then it is not no intelligence, means the computer does not think itself. So it depends upon user command. Like if you are giving any command, it get input from user, then it will do some process. So the computer does not think itself. So that's why there are two types of limitations. First one, no intelligence, and then no feelings. Intelligence means it depends on the user. Whatever you are giving input, it get from you, then it will do some process. Okay, then no feelings, does not have any feelings. So these are the limitations of computer. Let me talk about the generation of computer. Okay, before we talk about the limitation of computer, okay, we know the computer is a machine. There is no any feelings, and then there is no intelligence. So we talk about that. Okay, now let me talk about the generation of computer. What is generation? If we talk about our generations, human, no, we are having, I am my father, then my grandfather, they are having father. So we have a third generation, no, my father and their father. So I am the third generation, like this. But in computer also, it's a machine. When they developed, so from starting that to now, still now, they are categorized by some generation wise. Okay, year wise they are divided by some generations there. There are 5 generations are there. If you look at it, 5 generations are there. First generation in 1942, 1955, it's a first generation computers. It's a large computer. It's a big size. In single computer, it occupy 2-3 rooms like this. Okay, in that which technology they used to know? Vacuum tube. Now if you compare in our latest computer, in this computer, no, it look like a different. Everything is tube. Means input, output, everything using tube only. Okay, so vacuum tube. So it's very important. The first generation computer, they were using vacuum tubes. Okay. The second generation, 1956 to 1964. Okay, this we call as a second generation computers. They were used transistor. Transistor, you know, like this. Transistor means like no, like we can. Did you see like this? 3 pins will come. So it will something. It will come. It's transistors. You can identify some TV. Any old TV, no, if you see the motherboard, you can find the transistor. 3 type of pin will be there. So it's a transistor. So the second generation computer, they were used in a transistor. Okay. So examples of first generation computer. What is the example? ENIAC, EDVAC, UNIVAC. These are the examples of first generation computer. So ENIAC, examples of computer. The computer name ENIAC, UNIVAC. So it's examples of first generation computer, ENIAC, UNIVAC. Okay. Then second generation computer examples, ENIAC 1401. So there are giving 3 examples, but I have only one example. ENIAC 140. This is an example of second generation computer. Okay. So what technology they use in second generation computer? Transistor. It's very important. Okay. Then third generation computer, 1965 to 1971. it's a we call it as a third generation computer here. Okay, they were used integrated circuit, means IC. Nowadays we are also using in TV. No, TV. If you look at it, there are some IC chip. No, IC like this. It will come like this. Like this IC, no? Like this will come, okay, IC. So this is a third generation computer. They were used integrated circuit. Simply we called IC, okay. The example of third generation computer, IBM 360. It's a example of third generation computer, IBM 360, okay. Then fourth generation computer, 1972 onwards, we call it as a third generation computer. The what technology they use, microprocessor. Microprocessor also like this. You can see like this, no? So this kind of things is a processor we call. So microprocessor like same IC chip, both are same. So this is the microprocessor they were used in fourth generation computer. So there will be asked question like this: which generation which generation computer used microprocessor? Fourth generation computer, okay. Then fifth generation computer is future, means artificial intelligence, AI. Simply we call AI. It's a artificial intelligence. Means this computer will think itself. The machine will think like a human. Okay, like this. So artificial intelligence means what? The machine will think itself like a human being. Okay. So these are the generation of computer. So there are some example of computer they are giving. Please read, noted in your notebook. Okay. So just read this generation of computer. It's very important when you are going to this line, computer line. So it's very important. You are a computer science students, no? So you need to know the generation of computer. What are the years and what technology they used. First generation vacuum tube, second generation transistor, third generation integrated circuit IC, fourth generation microprocessor, then fifth generation artificial intelligence. Okay.